this video we're going to take a look at setting up and using the online mapping tool within Business Central. What do we mean by the online mapping tool? Well, here we are in the cloud version of Business Central. We're in a customer card. This also works in vendor cards, locations, pretty much wherever there's an address. And we have a show in map function here. Note that I just moved this around using the personalization functions. It's generally a little further off down the bottom here, but using personalization you can move your fields around to rearrange the form however you want, but I've just moved it from the bottom here up towards the top. Just a little easier to see when we come into here and click on show on map. Gives me a couple of options that either just show the map with the address, the location of this customer, or I get directions from my location to the customer's location. But click on show address and it will default through. And here we come and we drill in and we're ready, and we've got our map there. I'm using this on a desktop PC, but obviously you can use this on your mobile application for Business Central as well. So how do we get this set up? Okay, so back in Business Central and come up into search and search for online map. And we have our online map set up. So we come in and by default it's set up to be Bing, because obviously a Microsoft product and Microsoft do Bing. And we can set up additional ones here. I'll show you how to do that in a second. And you can show your distance in miles or kilometers and the quickest or shortest route. But to get set up you need to come into here and come into parameter setup. Now I've got my parameters already set up in here. If you don't have any here, with Bing you can just do insert default and it will insert in the default parameters. Note that I've also got these detailed out in the description to this video and also in the blog on our website. So that's the setup for Bing. You insert those in and you are good to go. To set up for Google, just enter in a new line here. Description is Google Maps, enter in the 3 services. Again, I have the shortcuts in the blog and also in the description to this video. Come back from this screen, make sure you change the default from Bing over to Google. Again, change these as to wherever you want them set. And then back in your customer supplier location record or wherever it is, we've got our show on map here. If I come into show on map now and use address, we will now default over into Google Maps. So that's how to set up and use the online mapping software tools within Business Central.